Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best binary trading apps. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Simply put, binary options are a derivative which can be traded on any instrument or market. Binary options are appealing because they are straightforward and traders know precisely how much they stand to win or lose before they make the trade. Binary options are known as all or nothing trades. Mobile devices are at the forefront of trading technologies, and a vast majority of investors choose to keep track of their investments and the markets through a handheld device. Traders who are searching for some of the best binary trading apps can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy app and broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best binary trading apps. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Nadex. Nadex, short for the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a leading online platform for trading binary options. Based in Chicago, Nadex offers a user-friendly and secure environment for individuals to trade financial markets. Traders on Nadex can participate in a wide range of markets, including Forex, commodities, stock indices, and economic events, allowing them to speculate on price movements and potential profit opportunities. Engaging in these instruments allows traders to speculate on price movements and implement various trading strategies. With their user-friendly platform and transparent market offerings, Nadex empowers traders to explore and participate in different financial markets, making it a versatile and accessible destination for those seeking to diversify their trading portfolio. Nadex's advanced trading platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of traders and comes equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensuring a seamless and efficient trading experience. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, a user-friendly interface and wealth of analytical tools enable you to make informed decisions and execute your strategies with confidence. Nadex offers a variety of trading accounts tailored to meet the specific needs of individual traders. With a focus on providing a secure and accessible environment, Nadex ensures that traders of all levels can participate in the financial markets confidently. Whether you are looking to explore the world of binary options or an experienced trader seeking advanced tools and resources, Nadex has an account option for you. A demo trading account is also available. Nadex provides a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills to navigate the financial markets successfully. Their comprehensive educational platform offers a diverse range of materials suitable for traders of all levels of expertise. From interactive courses and video tutorials to webinars and articles, they equip traders with essential information about binary options and various trading strategies. At number 4 on our list is Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC. Focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs, a selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of US-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, a micro and basic account, silver, gold, platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account. with a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials. If you are searching for any additional educational content with Expert Option. Coming in at number 3, we have BinaryCent. BinaryCent is a leading online trading platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments for traders around the world. They provide a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology, and accommodates a secure and efficient trading environment for both beginners and experienced traders. BinaryCent offers a diverse array of market instruments. Their comprehensive selection includes currencies, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. BinaryCent's trading platform is a powerful and user-friendly tool designed to cater to the needs of traders worldwide. Known for its transparency and fast execution, the platform empowers traders to make well-informed decisions in the dynamic world of online trading. It also provides essential tools and resources to support traders in their trading endeavors. Responsive customer support is readily available to address any questions or concerns, ensuring a seamless trading experience. BinaryCent offers a range of trading accounts tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the Bronze account, the Silver account, and the Gold account. These accounts are designed to provide a customized trading experience, accommodating for both beginners and experienced traders. Each account comes with unique features and benefits to suit different trading preferences and risk tolerance. A demo trading account is also available. They also provide educational resources to empower traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their comprehensive educational materials are designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. These resources include informative articles, video tutorials, webinars, and expert analysis, covering a wide range of trading topics. Whether you are looking to understand the basics of trading, explore advanced strategies, or stay updated on market trends, BinaryCent has got you covered. At number 2 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard Real account, a VIP account, with Demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Options educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best binary trading apps, we have Binary.com. Binary.com is a UK-based binary trading broker that has been licensed by and is under the regulation of the British Isles, Malta, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. It is one of the most transparent binary options brokers in the industry. It has made declarations of owning the company, and it is in charge of the market operations. The platform brings together aspects of speculation and binary trading. Its services include FX margins, crypto trading via MetaTrader 5, and CFDs. Binary.com offers you over 100 instruments to trade with, and also offers interactive webinars, daily market reports, and ebooks, as well as videos for learning, all for free for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational content with Binary.com. And those are some of the top 5 best binary trading apps on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.